a tutti. Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco and today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful one-pot pasta dish. You're going to love this because, as I said, one pot to clean. I'm going to use potatoes, Brussels sprouts and a little pancetta, which might sound like a weird combination, but trust me, you're going to love it as much as I do. The other thing I'm going to use is milk and nutmeg, but I'm not going to use butter or flour like you would for a regular bechamel. You'll have all the flavor and much less fat. It's going to be much better for you. The potatoes will thicken up the sauce and it's going to be delicious, you'll see. And like I said, easy to make, 30 minutes in all, so let's get started. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need pasta, potato, nutmeg, pecorino, pancetta, shallot, Brussels sprouts and milk.